Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 or a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas which I've just put some black paint on. And here we go. Let me see now if I've messed you up. Can you see? You can. And so I thought I might do a ghost pour because I like them and I haven't done one for a little while. So I've got the black for the night, I've got some white for my little ghosties' clothes, if they feel the need to wear clothes, that is, I don't know. Oh, look at the reactions there. Alright, so now I've got plenty of white. I've got some blue because I like it. Is this going to be... Oh, look, I'm really making a mess. Alright. And some yellow. Oops. Yellow for the moonlight. And a card. Goodness, that wasn't very good, was it? Alright. Might need some more paper. Just to wipe the thingy on. And I'm getting there. Losing a lot of the white though. That's okay. Not bad, pretty good. Now I'll just turn him around. Little fractals there on that white. They're going because I've got to swipe over them. What a shame. They look like little snow trees. When you try to get them, they don't come up. Right. The recipes for these paints and the pouring medium, excuse me, froggies, you'll find down below under the video, under show more. And that's my gecko. I'm taking this piece off and I'm going to put a bit more black on. Okay, it's a wonder what your fingers can do sometimes, isn't it? Here's another misprint. A little bit. Right. So you'd never know that I cheated there. Okay, so I've got here not a lot. That's very good. And I would like to torch it, but I got all of this paint done. Check the torch. No gas. So I can't torch it. But I really can't see any air bubbles, so I might get away with it. And I couldn't nick up the street to get any more butane because I already had the paints ready to go. which was a bit of a shame, but anyway. So there you go. And I'm just going to wipe my hands off, and I'll bring you down to have a look and see what you think. I think it's rather cute. Just untangle you here. Underneath Show More, you'll also find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us over there. And nice to have your company. And so that's what I was looking at, my little ghosties. It's rather cool that the yellow and blue didn't make green, this time. They quite often do. Now the cells and lacings that are on here will probably grow a bit more as it dries a bit. It won't take long to dry here because it's so hot. I think it's about 33 degrees or centigrade, or about, what's that, 94 or something Fahrenheit. Pretty warm, which is really cool. I like it. There's the centre. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click on subscribe if you haven't already, and the little bell, and you'll be notified then when I put up more videos. And please give this the thumbs up. Every video needs a thumbs up, and thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.